Well, happy Friday, everybody, and thank you for tuning in. We are at another weekend, and this is going to be a weekend of change. The winds of change are certainly going to be blowing by Sunday. This morning, temperatures in the 50s and 60s to start out. By Sunday, we're not even going to get close to that for the daytime highs, and we'll talk about it. Here's a look at the view of the east. Notice we've got warm conditions up and down the eastern seaboard into the deep south, but here's where the cold is. Denver saw snow yesterday and temperatures right now at 30 degrees. It's 32 in Rapid City. We're going to get a piece of this cold as it heads east behind a cold front later in the weekend. A lot of things going on this weekend. Here's a front that's going to be coming through during the day tomorrow. It's going to be weakening as it heads east, so the rain you see with it now right here is actually not going to be as impressive as the front crosses Pennsylvania. But this moisture, this is actually associated with an upper level low. This is energy that's going to catch up to this front by Sunday. So it's going to catch up to it a day later, but it'll be enough to throw extra showers into the forecast for Sunday afternoon. So Sunday is going to be the worst day of the weekend for eastern Pennsylvania. So we'll talk about it. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast, the future weather computer, showing that today, Friday, a nice, sunny, warm day. Probably the warmest day until next spring. But Saturday, there goes the front. Again, by the time it gets to eastern PA, you didn't see any green come with it, just a line of some clouds, and behind it, we're going to get chilly. So this front is pretty much going to be a wind shift. We're going to see winds out of the southwest to start the day. That'll boost temperatures into the 70s, but then in the afternoon, the wind shift out of the northwest, and that's when temperatures go downhill. Sunday, as I mentioned, the clouds quickly will increase again, and then we'll see showers developing during the afternoon. Now, with the chill, of course, is actually coming our first potential for frost as early as Sunday night into Monday. Here's a look at my current low forecast for Sunday night into Monday. We're going for 35 in Allentown. So basically the Lehigh Valley, North Jersey, and points northward do have the potential for frost. And if it doesn't come Sunday night, well, we're going to be equally as chilly on Monday night. Philadelphia, though, no worries with temperatures there staying in the 40s like they normally do. Now, for Friday night football, we're going to be starting off very warm as the sun is still up, 76 degrees at kickoff, but then we're going to drop it off quick once the sun goes down to 61 for the final buzzer. Looking good, though. No rain this week. For the overnight hours, we're talking about clouds increasing later ahead of that next system with lows in the 50s. For Saturday, it's going to be a pretty cloudy day. We'll see some sunny breaks and, again, a chance of an afternoon shower or two. Not everyone sees it. There are certainly going to be a lot more misses than there will be hits. 66 to 72 will do it for the highs. Winds will be coming out of the west late in the day, and that will be the wind of change. Here you go, the exclusive Campus Weather Service 5-day forecast. Sunday, a miserable day. 49 is it for the high. That's more like November weather. It's going to be miserable with some scattered showers, especially in the afternoon, and more consistent rains the farther south and east you go. Monday, chilly, 57, but the sun will be back. Tuesday, full sun, 63. Wednesday, yeah, we get milder, 68 degrees, but we bring in a chance of showers with another front coming in. Guess what that does? Sends temperatures right back to the 50s for next Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend with more frost and freeze potentials. So fall's here. Have a great weekend.